Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down and choose Additional Settings. In them select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Gbird. Now finally, click on Text Correction. All typing features are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, click on the sweater next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!